Hello everyone, so we're here from this analyze here of this games here. The title of this one is titled Tuesday. So it means Grand Prix. So it means in the year of 2025 here from this one. So these are the games here. I don't know. So it means online chess or maybe face to face here from this chess here from this one. So it means these are the time clocks here is called Blitz chess here. So it means 3 minutes and 2 seconds increments here from this one. So it means time clocks here. And also have between from this grandmaster from this Mexico is Jose Martinez. So it means these are how many ratings is 3111 LO ratings here. And also versus by grandmaster from this France is Alireza Ferrucha. So it means how many ratings is 3247 LO from this one. So in this today's of these games here, in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this title Tuesday. So white plays Jose is e4, c5 Ferrucha Sicilian defense, knight f3, d6, and also c3. So it means c3 here is called Sicilian defense delayed Alapin variation from this one. So these are the main lines here. So it means move by d4 here from these white pieces here. So it means without develops here, or maybe without d4 from this one. So move here is c3 by Martinez is called delayed Alapin variation from this one, and also knight f6 and also h3. So it means h3 is no more by bishop to g4 or knight g4 here, and also bishop to d7 and also bishop to d3. So it means bishop to d3 by Martinez or upcoming by castling by king from this one. And also knight c6, bishop c2 backwards. So it means what the precise move by white pieces, and also e5, castling, and also g5. So it means g5 is still novelty by Verusha in this game from these black pieces here. So these are the old main line here is still to bishop to e7 or maybe to queen to e7 here. So it means good novelty or old main line here from this one. So novelty is g5 by Ferrucha here, and also d4. So it means d4 by precise move by Martinez here, and also capture this pawn. So it means these are c takes d4 is marked by X move by Ferrucha in this computer engine. So it means does not want of this computer by captured. So the ones of correct move here is still push to g4. So it means without strongest move by black pieces here. So if you capture this pawn, bishop takes captured without pinning by queen. So it means queen without pin. So it means pin by queen here from this one. So back there is c takes d4 here, and also capture this pawn. So it means X move by Martinez here. So the best moves there is bishop to a4 without threatening by knights here from this one. So it means without precise best moves here from this one. So back there is capture this pawn, and also strongest move is g4. What the strongest move by Ferrucha, or might by targets by knights or maybe without pawns here from this one. Wait, for example, in accept, why don't we capture these pawns here from this one? And also knight takes captured, so it means if you knight takes d4 here from this one without threat by bishop, and also queen takes knight. So if you move by bishop to b5 without threat by rooks here, and also rook to e1. So it means rook e1 here from this develops here from this one. So the strongest move is g4 by Ferrucha here, and also capture this pawn, bishop takes capture. So it means without pin by queen, without develops here from this one, and also bishop to a4 without pin by checking here from this one. So it means without pinning here, and also pawn takes captured by Ferrucha, and also queen b3. So it means without movement by Martinez here, and also decided is queen b6 by Ferrucha, queen to queens here from this one. So the first puzzle, so what do you think the finding brilliant sacrifice move by GM Jose Martinez in this Mexico? So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. The new brilliant sacrifice is knight takes d4. Brilliant move by Martinez. Sacrifice. So it means strongest move here from this one. And also decided is queen takes captured knight. Wait for a moment. So why don't we capture queen to queens here from this one? And also knight takes queen. Without develops here from this one. Look at the evaluation bar. White pieces or higher evaluation bar. Still controlling here from this one. So decided is queen takes knights here. And also bishop e3. So it means without strongest my Martinez or threat by queens here from this one. And also good move is queen takes e4. What a precise move by Ferusha. So it means without good move here. And also knight c3 without threatening by queen. And also queen backwards e7. And also rook fe1. Bad move by Jose Martinez. So the best moves there is bishop to g5 without threat by knights here. So if you move by h6 from this one and also bishop h4. So it means without controls or maybe without control moves here from this backwards here from this connecting here from this one. So, rook fe1 here, and also another good move is bishop to e6. Another good move by Ferusha. Or maybe with a threat by here by queen. Or maybe queenless. So it means without queen. And also queen d1 or maybe with a move here by f3. So it means without develops here. And also rook g8 and also queen f3. So it means without movement by Martinez. And also rook c8, bishop d4. Oh, what a sacrifice move by Martinez. So it means cannot move by capture this one because without check. Oh, without determined check here from this one. So okay. So it means battery is still lowest battery here from this one. So rook g6 here by move black pieces and also rook a d1. So it means it's called first rank from this one. First rank by white pieces and also bishop to g7. Bishop takes captured. So it means without good movement by Martinez and also king force f8, bishop b6, knight e5 with a threatening by queens, queen f4, bishop to h6 without threatening by queens here or maybe with a threat by here by queens here from this one. And also decided queen b4 and also knight f3 check or maybe so it means cannot capture this one my thinking check. So it means check. So it means without 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 movement here from this one here from this one. And so it means without checking here. So it means without check or maybe with a trap by rooks here from this one, trapping one rook down here from this one. And also king force h1 and also decided is rook g4. Wait for a moment, why don't we capture knight takes rook and also rook takes knight. Without develops here from this one, without continuations here from this one. So it means rook g4, the second puzzle. What do you think the new second brilliant sacrifice move by GM Martinez? So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone, is Queen takes Rook, sacrificed by Jose Martinez here. And also Knight takes Queen. Oh, without movement here. And also decided is Pawn takes Knight, without threatening by knights here, without threatening here by targets by knights. And also Queen h4 check, so it means these are the dangers upcoming by mating net by white pieces. And also King g1 only move. And also the last shot, this one is Queen h2 check. So these are the running out of time by GM Jose Martinez by Mexico. So it means gold flag down from this one. So why he running out of time? Because if you move by King F1 only move, and also Bishop to C4 check. So if you move by defense by Rook E2, and also Queen H1 mating net. So lose by whites here from this one. So it means the score of this one, the accuracy, the white pieces is lowest 79.5 points by accuracy, the white pieces. So the score from this higher accuracy by black is 95.4. So it means the higher the winner is in this one is GM Alireza Ferrucha from this France. From this one. Before that, so these are the announcement. These are the FIDE Women's World Championship, the match of 2025. So these are the location is Shanghai, Chongqing. These are Chongqing. So it means date from April 1 to 23 here from this one. So these are the GM Zhu Wenjun from China versus GM Tan Zhongyi from this one. So I will analyze here of these games from this coming April 3 from this one. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. So have a good day and keep safe and keep update of this chess analyze of these games. Sayonara.